Yazi kuyi-mistake lento eyenzeka lapho. Yazi mara mina yazi ukuthi ngithanda wena kuphela.
Ubote kathi kimi-mistake.
Ngiyakutshela musu ukuthi i-mistake lento eyenzeka lapho.
I-mistake kanjani? I-mistake kanjani ukuthi umuntu akusendele ithombe engqondo? Any warning?
Yeah, uyasilisa.
Warning again. Hayi lo.
Uyasilisa futhi man lami ungayenzi kanje.
Miyeke welcome ugqoke kahle. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umtimandu mabuyu bambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger, cream de la cream. Ufuna ukwenza sure utheliswa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas, sir. It's a purple king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with my son. Welcome, Dlamini. Sendele Bobo. Si Popo. Si. Please, Baba. Please, Baba. Salt, salt, salt. Water, water, water. Light, light. Fire, fire. Power. Energy, energy. Energy, wealth, wealth, ubufebe, da, ubufebe, da, abafeba yo, da. Take me straight to Kwaba Febayo. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandu mabuyu bambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelithwa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Baba ilwa my brother sanibona nijani siswamnepile angazi man rishona le rank taxi rank akithi o alafita taxi rank ko site ngaka yi so alabona maybe skolo ka yi or something
I think Sikako.
Yes sis welcome athi silahlekile yes sis ubani kama brother
Awukamo yinhla.
Yinhla?
Yeah.
Oh, my sister?
Itumeleng.
Itumeleng. Are you guys dating?
Yeah.
Can I ask you a few questions and then we still looking for a school? So, I'm coming from Ngwenya University of Arts and Sports and Arts and Culture and Filming. So we go around and we ask people questions. Sister, where are you from? Emden. Big up to Emden. So bafethu. Big up to Emden. Emden clinic. Ngihlale nginibone. Thank you, Prazo. Danko. My brother, where you from?
I'm in Braamfontein.
Braamfontein. Big up to Braamfontein. You know the story, the youngins in Braamfontein. They are too much. You know. So my brother, are you guys dating?
Yeah, we're dating.
What is it that you love about your girlfriend?
I'm born. It's I'm born smiley.
Showcase.
Yeah.
In the showcase. So, what is it that attracted you to her? Lewaibo wati no man. I have to get this girl.
I am born lo. Alo hlukile time
Sure.
Personality. Abone izinto ezinjalo.
Sure.
So yeah.
You like that? Yeah. And then pathane kahle.
Ngamnandi.
What is it that you love about my brother?
I think go gentle in
Yeah. Oh, izinto zenza gentle, zenza soft.
Patient. What's even who can like him also ubaba.
Sure. So da komndeni intwana le uba izisi?
Never.
Abawulati?
No.
Emndeni kuyayitsi emfethu. Emndeni ngiyakwazi mina.
Yeah.
Yawesowetho?
Yeah.
Umndeni it's one of amakasi ongasho ukuthi ikasi lamakasi.
Yeah.
They are keeping banalobucheese babo lobuphila kwabo ngathi babodwa. Yabo bamndeni. Phela kwagogo lapha. So yeah. Have you so when I'm a brother I want to know from you in a scale of 100 ungathi umthemba kangakanani umuntu wakho?
99.9.
99.59 eh? Yeah. And then on yourself when it was themba kangakanani?
Mina ngithemba Clipper na.
Clipper ne? Ukhona omunye umuntu omdate besides my sister? Akekho ne? Uye kuphela. Uyena kuphela.
Thanda yena kuphela.
Is there anything that you would like to apologize komamasi maybe ukhuphe maiswarelo or you understand? Yami. Ikhona into ongayixolisela mhlawumbe owakwayenza angayicavi. Ayikho. No flop, you've been clean.
Clean.
Yami. Cele kakhulu ngawe. Lalela Dogzini. Before I end this nje. Ungenza njani mangase find out ukuthi uyajola?
Ngahlanya plan kodwa manje la.
Ne.
Ngangiphatha kabi lento le.
Ne.
Singantwisa ngophumbile ukubaba.
Yes.
Ngebe right.
Ngabe yakutolobela.
Angabantolobela ngolo.
Ngabe yakutolobela.
Yo, ngahlanya papa.
Sister, in a scale of 100 ungathi this gentleman umthanda kangakanani?
100%.
When I was
Like 100.
Like-
like
the real 100,
ngiyamthepa nje.
the true 100.
Yeah.
Yo, when I was themba kangakanani?
Ngiyithemba 100%.
Ne? Uteng motho mongwe maybe o date le yena besides mzala.
Hayi.
Kena fela.
Kena fe. But wait, you what le specific happy. Yo, I'm just a baby.
Is there anything you want to apologize about?
No.
Ne? Uteng motho mongwe next.
Yeah, guy. Ke sharp kae.
How ka found out
Yo. Right.
gore o na le bana ko ntle?
Yo.
I'm making it even worse.
Ntamutlaya
Tamdaya ne?
Hayi ntamutlaya.
Asikona
Utashikuma leshashilabayo.
Tashkoma. But please, ngoba akunaniksi okwamanje, please give him a hug and tell him that you love him and you're going to stick with him all the way.
Okay, I love you.
All the way. Thank you. But first, we are happy. I'm always happy to see happy couples. Liruna siyahamba manje safuna ukubheka isikole ngwenya Candy Gardens ki crèche. Ya ke abana ba tsena crèche go crèche nya go gae. So ya branch ya mo Josie incha. Akusoitsidi, so we are going there. My brother, I trust you, man. Jayam, I wish you all the best. Take care of her. But before you guys leave, there's a thing that we do. It's called loyalty test. Loyalty test is whereby we switching phones for 60 seconds. Wena sister, ufe boyfriend ya gago phone ya go for 60 seconds, go rashebe on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram wa go la liberela la shumisha Facebook le Instagram ukuthi check ukuthi ufletha nabo bani. Awuna bothata because you are not cheating, right?
Shut the phone, no.
Asukeni ngala kuzimoto.
Kufuneka privacy yakhe. We don't touch.
No. We won't go to your privacy. We'll go to what ento
Phone-ish.
Ish.
Oh,
eh?
Hayi.
indaba yefoni.
Akunayo.
Kwenzakalani?
Uklidibala mas.
Uzoyikhohlwa.
Uklidibala. Ukuquleka.
Uzoquleka. Yini kanti wena ufihleni efonini lezo menza ukuthi aquleke?
Eish. Dintho tse deep tse dichomi tsa ka bo.
No. I don't know check dilo tsa dichomi tsa gago. Re batla tsa gago.
Magai ka ba ka tena.
No. Mara di ke dichomi tse di ratang seng yena.
Maga wa ba
Chomi ke chomi.
o tlo kopana le ba gatola ka mono.
Rato la hao monyo o sharp.
Okay, dad.
Kupa o tle kamo. A se kana wena mang?
Ke tumela.
Re tla thoma phone a gago. Kupa o ibule. No, what's up?
No.
A ke re type o tla type mo. A o tlhaga lebitso la gago mo mplela. A o tlhaga lebitso la dintšwa tse dingwe mo mplela because mogodo eo e tla be le yone jang motho wa gago. All right guys, we're on WhatsApp right now about to the trend. It's Tapala Put I love you. Abakshelo na small.
Banshe.
Wena o reng?
Ke re ke le mo.
Annex. Akuvela abanye amajita, akuvela mina kuphela.
Sister, o ritse mo go tla tlhaga ditšhomo tsa gago. Wa go sa tlhage nix mo. Delete lapha. Ngicela o type uthi I miss you. Itsenye heart right. Hayi sister hayi.
Yeah. Ngiyabona la vele mina kuphela nabangani bakhenyana la.
Hayi khule. Vela naba
Vele mina kuphela nabangani bakhe. Yeah.
okay. Delete lapha. Thapha uthi sex.
Yo.
Yeah. Indaba sister wayakibwa ka sex ukhazeka. Angizwa futhi.
Akuveli next la. Akuveli next.
Take your time my brother. Delete lapha. Thani money.
Money. Yeah. Next.
Angizwa.
Next.
Delete money. Faki emoji brinjol, benches. Nalamanzi. Athi fa.
Yo,
Akuvela mina kuphela la.
Angizwa.
Yimi kuphela.
Hangtape abudwa.
Akuthepe jwang.
Hangtape.
Jwang.
Get into the goals.
Yakwazi ukubhala ukuthi kuyawurata.
Yeah, ngasuka.
Bhala. Please my brother, please.
Yeah. Kuma mina kuhlokuma nabangani bayena la.
Delete. Type uthi come outside.
Next, akuveli next. Akuveli next.
Type and say I'm coming.
Yo.
Yeah, akuvela mina la. Elabi ngilanda.
Yawudlala uFacebook.
Yeah.
Asiyeku. Naw ma messenger. Bese ngithi tap la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshele. Makuvela ama 100 messages ungitshele. Mayithi no results ungitshele ngoba izobe ingeke into esiyenza. Thapha uthi I love you ufake ne heart red. Asas. Sterin. Me.
Yeah, no, that's very. Yeah, very.
Yawudlala Instagram. Is it back? No. Jena we DM thapha uthi I love you fake heart red. Mayithi no results ungitshele. Ay, ala relationship
Yeah, uyavela ngakuvela mina ngakhona speak.
ningani phone yakho bethu.
Thank you.
How do you feel ukuthi umuntu wakhe akushithele?
Oh.
Hayi, wena masujuluke nekhala. Yazi mina you are nervous. Yeah. Yeah, sithathe yakhe. I don't be nervous. Ngiyakubona. Vula la mngani wami. Vula. Awuthekhe igqoka kahle.
Ngiyabona.
Yasazi style. Yeah. Shuthe nabantwana ba right. Yazi. Atathazele. Now WhatsApp mntana.
What if you do bad?
No, Sky Idibala, sister need to be strong. Now WhatsApp, WhatsApp la. Magveli kamala kula ungchele. Magveli kamala other bitches here ungchele because those bitches will be the one that is fucking your men. Alright, we're on WhatsApp right now and you're about to tap the trenches. Type ala po I love you. My brother, talk to me. Ulaba ho.
Ke batho. Ke bona banana ba ba gago mona ho etsa.
Ngiyakaza.
Chaza phela.
Hlalusa phela.
Yazi kuyimistake lento eyenzeka lapha. Yazi mara mina yazi ukuthi ngithanda wena kuphela.
Ho botekatse ke mistake.
Imistake phela.
So who's the mistake? Ikupa mabitso.
Honeni folwane mona.
One.
Honeni lu mang ore ke mang lufa what?
Lufuno.
Honeni di Lucia.
No, you must talk my brother. What's alarm?
Oh. Mara no yazi baby mina ngithanda wena kuphela mos.
Laba abanye?
Ke bona le ntho mo.
Laba abanye nje akusinto ukuthi vele ngathi. Mara baby.
Dinutsi.
Map ungenephi wathole kanjani labantu? Ungabela la.
Ko di texting hantse ke scroll down.
Endayiwa.
Sepantu. Yo hlabi tampo.
Rata didudla ne. Rata bochabi.
Athi wena
Maruchabi lo mntana.
ungayi.
No uyasazi lesithombe wasufuna ukusibuka mina nathi sisabuka hayi
Uyenza kanjani?
sabuka hayi sabuka hawu
Ungayenzi kanje. Man wabona manje
Why no lata nna slender o tsebe go rata banana ba
Baby ngiyakutshela musu ukuthi mistake lento eyenzeka lapho.
imistake kanjani ukuthi umuntu akusendele ithombe engqondo imistake kanjani akubonisa ibele
Mistake lento leyo.
uyathanda ibele indaba kuthiwa
Ngithanda yena kuphela
o
Grootman.
leshano
Ngithanda yena kuphela.
Wakakhetha.
yo
Ngithanda
ngotla ka
yena kuphela.
makhathe
Ngithanda yena ntsena.
type uthi mani sibone ukuthi angeke avele yena tasikhuma ngitshela
Kanza yena ntsena.
ufuna ubitse o kopa mo gomele 300 o khometse mara nna go kopa wa hana
Nase sengahlamusela bheka.
oh usuyashintsha manje usukhuluma uqanisa ngikuza
Ngahlamusela.
Hayi.
Awubona That time unikombela mali angari nayo.
no file no fu
lufuna umfile 300 lufuna akombela yena wayithola 300
So beba
o ska tshora
Fasteo ko mara mina ndandona abantu labo tayilwi.
o makeketse bege
Abantu labo bola tayilwi santsena ayikona makabona balaba kuyilwi.
oh yasilwisi
Bayilwisa
o
no.
makeketse lushia bege
uyithengele umthengeleleni lo mntana uSteve Madden lo Madden lo Steve Madden
ha ke soka ke thola gift
sister usaloqhubeka ujolela lo njengoba umbona ukuthi obo Steve Madden basendela intombi zakhe icondom yona uyayisebenzisa kodwa bhuti kule ngane ezu3 phiza uqoqoba
Yabona Grootman uyasakhuluma kanjalo uyasilwisa
mina ngilisa kanjani
uyasilwisa.
ihlanganaphi
Hayi.
mina bengihambe
Besihambela kahle uhlana besihamba manje sewuthi sintsha amafoni manje
lama flowers ePick n Pay agcwele lana
Grootman uyasilwisa no. Uyasilwisa nomuntu wami.
sister yabona kumuntu thatha ifoni yakhe ingane yakunika hawu awusamfuna ngithi sister hamba wena sister
Ungayenzi hayi. Sithi sikhulume kancane mos. Sisikhulume. Awuyabona Grootman angilwisa.
angikubambanga
Grootman angilwisa.
mina yabo mina ngiyimele kuphi angisukela
Yabona ngilwisa Grootman lami. Ugelo wami uhambile manje.
awuthema ufuna ukubonani
Ayili ugelo wami manje.
ufuna ukubona lezi zinto ebengiyijima mina njengoba bengi-overseas
Ngikushaya phela.
ha
Ngilwisa nomuntu Miriam yahamba musima Miriam.
kwakuyimedi yakho kasakufuni nomntwana hamba sister angithi wasamfuni
Ngilwisa.
hamba sis
Yabona la makhamera wakho manje soyenzani?
mfethu ngicela yabo ngizobala ka5 lo mthithe mesela ngifuna umkhumisa ngifuna ukukushaya 1 2 3 4 5 hey uyabo usala
Simla.
1 2 3 4 5 woza 1 2 3 4 5 woza baba awayibuyela awayihloma
Yasilwisa.
ngifuna ukukushayela intombi yakho mngani wami
Yasilwisa.
ufuna ukubonani
Yasilwisa.
Yasilwisa
Grootman nami yabona ugelo wami uhambile manje.
warning
Yasilwisa.
i-warning leyo
Yasilwisa.
i-warning leyo
Yasilwisa.
ureturn i-warning
Yeah, yasilwisa.
warning again hayi lo
Yasilwisa Grootman nami ungayenzi kanje.
miyeke welcome ugqoke kahle angifuni ukumshwabanisa hamba uncenge intombi zakho lezi u4 ngizokubamba wena lufuno ngizokubamba wena lebuwana
Ngilisa nomuntu wami.
wena udlole buwana udlole ifuno ubadla bonke
Laba bonke abekho manje Grootman uyasikrethela nje. Yiki
hamba sister ungabusabuyelana nalo ya ngoba ufuna ukungishaya take me home.
Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Kimangandile
andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake